What's up guys? This video will be in addition to my other GTR video on current market pricing and also for any current or potential owners. There was a question on how much mileage a GTR should have if you're looking to purchase. The short answer is you want to get the one with the lowest mileage. Anything under 20,000 miles would be ideal, but you know, that can also get very expensive. Depending on what year and condition of GTR you buy, you want to have money set aside for minor and major maintenance intervals, which are based on time, operating temperature, and mileage. I'll only be focusing on mileage since it's easier to track. The engine oil and oil filter needs to be changed every 6,000 miles if the GTR is driven under 230 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's driven between 230 degrees and 266 degrees Fahrenheit, then it needs to be changed at 3,000 miles. If it's driven above 266 degrees Fahrenheit, then it needs to be replaced immediately after you stop. An oil filter change will cost around $50 or more, and I've already made a video to do it yourself to save money, so check that video out guys. The OEM Dunlop tires may need to get replaced around the 8,000 mile mark. They wear pretty quickly, so I suggest replacing them with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. They are much more compliant for daily driving, last longer, and are not as noisy as stock Dunlops, while still providing similar performance. These tires will cost around $1,500 or more. Brake pad and rotors may need to be replaced around the 20,000 mile range. They can cost you $1,500 or more depending on what pads and rotors you decide to go with. The engine coolant should be replaced at 24,000 miles. This will cost you around $40 for the coolant. The transmission fluid and front and rear differential oil will need to be replaced every 18,000 miles for 2009 to 2011 GTRs or 36,000 miles for 2012 and newer. It'll cost around $140 for the transmission fluid and $80 for the differential oil. I've already made a video on how to do the transmission and differential oil change yourself, so check that video out to learn more. Spark plugs will need to be replaced at 60,000 miles, which will cost $100. If you take it to the track or drag strip or drive more aggressively, then you will need to do the maintenance sooner. So check out the factory service manual for more details. Hopefully this gives you an idea on the maintenance costs you may have to deal with if you currently own or plan to purchase a low or high mileage GTR. The higher the mileage on the GTR, the more maintenance you might have to do. Just add the cost of the maintenance items it may need to the cost of the high mileage GTR, and you might find that a lower mileage GTR is a better deal because you may not have to do the maintenance. The costs sound very expensive, but it comes with the territory of GTR ownership. If you compare with other supercars, it might even be cheaper, and you can find most of these parts at your local auto parts store or online, and do it yourself to save money. That's going to be it for this video guys. Hit that like button and subscribe button to support my channel, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.